Hello, this is Chris from Palatech, and on this video we are going to learn how to save our site as a template to use in future web design as a base structure using the Elementor Page Builder. First, we need to go to the left to Pages, all the pages. Then we are going to select the page we want to use as a template. In this case we are going to use the home page, and then we click on edit with Elementor, and here we are our site. We have our site that we have created through the videos, and we want to save this as a template to use as a base for a future website. To do that, we are going to the lower left on the upside button, and we are going to click on the save options, the arrow that is pointed upward. Click on it, and we can see we have an option to save as a template. We click on that, and now we are going to give it a name. In this case, we are going to name it Palatech Home Page Template. And click on Save. As you can see, we have our page created, and we are going to give it a go. We are going to exit the dashboard, and on Pages we are going to create a new one. We are going to choose homepage 2. On page attributes we are going to use the elements of full width. On header we are going to disable the top bar, and title we are going to disable the page title, and then we are going to edit with Elementor, and we are going to choose the add template button, and we are going to search, and we are going to click on my template, and we have our Palatech homepage template, and we are going to insert it, and we are going to click on yes, and it's waiting loading on it, and we have loaded our page to the site. We might need to select some sections that are not stretched. In the section we click edit, inner section, and stretch the content like this. In some cases this might not be needed to be done, but since in our template not all of the sections were stretched, this might happen. So we have loaded our template in a single click. Do some tweaking to it, and we are going to save those changes by clicking on publish. So that's it. We have saved our template and loaded on a new page to make our future work much more simpler and faster. So if you like the video, subscribe to our channel and share with a friend who might need help on their sites. See you the next time on Palatech.